Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear Honorable the Managing Director of Puja Confidence Public School, respected Program Director S.M. Ravi Sir, all the teachers and my dear friends and classmates, at first take my salam. Assalamu alaikum. Walaikum assalam. Dear ladies and gentlemen, I am Subaida and my friend's name is Adia. We study in class 7 of Puja Confidence Public School. We are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. We hope you are also fine. Dear audience, today we are going to end a conversation between a brilliant student and Rupali TV reporter. So let's start. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Walaikum salam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to our studio. Please sit down. Thank you. Name please. How are you?
I am fine. I hope you are also fine.
Alhamdulillah. Would you mind telling us something about your result, please?
I have scored GPA 5 in the year final examination this year.
What's the secret of your success?
I think it is hard work. I studied regularly for 5 to 6 hours every day. That helped me much.
Did you prepare yourself only from some selected items?
No, I studied everything on my syllabus.
Did you take any special coaching from the exam?
No, I didn't. I studied at home.
Who inspired you in your study?
My teacher, especially our English teacher of school, inspired me very much. Also, my parents inspired me very significantly.
What's your future plan?
I want to be a MBBS doctor.
Where do you study?
I want to study Dhaka Medical College Hospital.
This gift is for you for coming to our studio.
Thank you.
We have come to the end of our conversation. If there are any mistakes in our conversation, please forgive us. Assalamu alaikum.